Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this interesting problem. We have been given that a straight line with negative slope passes through the point 8, 2 and cuts positive coordinate axis at the points P and Q. Find the minimum value of OP plus OQ as line L varies where O is the origin. We have been given couple of options. We have to pick from them which one is the minimum value. So let's try to understand this particular question. So for that we will do a simple graph. Let us say these are our coordinate axis, and let's put that line. This is our line. We know that the line passes through 8, 2, so I can write down 8, 2, it passes through, and this is a negative slope line. How to know negative slope line? Climbing down steps. Climbing down is negative line, climbing up is positive slope. Climbing, it passes through 8, 2 and cuts the positive coordinate axis at P and Q. So let us say this is P, this is Q, we know this is O. So now what is nothing but OP? OP is nothing but x-intercept and OQ equal to y-intercept. Let us say that this is our A x-intercept and this is our B, that is y-intercept. Now what we know, if x-intercept equal to A, then we know that this point is A, 0, and we also know that this point is 0, B. Now let's go through the question again and see whether it makes sense. A straight line L with negative slope passes through the point 8, 2 and cuts the positive coordinate axis at P and Q. Find the minimum value of OP plus OQ as L varies. L passes through 8, 2, but it can vary. So it passes through 8, 2, it can vary. And O is the origin. We have to find out OP plus OQ. Now we understood that OP is x-intercept equal to A and OQ equal to y-intercept, that is nothing but equal to, we have taken it as B. Now since we know that point, let us say this particular point, we haven't given any name for that. Let us say that point is D or something. We know that P, Q, D, all of them are on the same straight line, so slopes should be equal. So can I go ahead and write down that slopes should be equal because it's the same straight line. So can I say slope of PD is equal to slope of DQ is equal to slope of PQ, and slope is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's apply that formula and get the slope of PD, that's nothing but 0 minus 2 divided by a minus 8 is equal to dq, that is 2 minus b divided by 8 minus 0, which is also equal to minus b divided by a. Now from this we have to get a condition where we should be able to find out what will be the value of OP plus OQ. So what is that they are asking us? They are asking us to find out what's the minimum value of A plus B. They are asking us minimum value of A plus B. Now let's take first and these two and try to cross multiply and see, because I see that is 8 minus 0, this is 0. So when I cross multiply, I will get minus 2 into 8 is equal to A minus 8 into 2 minus B. Can I multiply with negative and write down A minus 8 into B minus 2 equal to 16. Now we look at the solutions, whatever we want the values for a plus b, all of them are integers. So let us say that if a plus b is integer and a b are integers, then a minus 8 and b minus 2 also should be integers. In that case, can I go ahead and write down a minus 8 into b minus 2 is equal to 16. The combination can be 1 into 16. I can write down that. I can write down 2 into 8. I can write down 4 into 4. Okay. Now suppose let us say I have taken this scenario. Let's now write down what will be a value here, what will be a b value here. If a minus 8 equal to 1, a will be 9 and b will be 18. If a minus 8 equal to 2, a will be 10 and b will be also equal to 10. If a minus 8 equal to 4, a will be 12 and b will be equal to 4 plus 2, 6. So we can see that from this that AB values in the first case is add up to 27, second case adds up to 20 and the third case adds up to 18. So the minimum value of 18, 20, 27 is 18. So our solution for this particular problem is 18. So let's recap what we have done. We have been given that a straight line L with negative slope passes through the point 8, 2 and cuts the positive coordinate axis at points P and Q. We said they are A and B. Now we know A is the intercept, then A, 0 is a point, 0, B is another point. We have to find out the minimum value of A plus B. So what we did now, we did 0, b, 8, 2, a, 0. They are all part of the same line, so they should have the same slope. From that we are able to get a condition that a minus 8 into b minus 2 is equal to 16. Now, since we know that the solutions whatever given to us are integers, taking the factors of 16, we have 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Let's substitute the values for a and b. A minus 8 equal to 1, a becomes 9, b minus 2 is 16, b becomes 18. Similarly, a minus 8 is 2, a becomes 10, b minus 2 is 8, b becomes 10. We look at the three different combinations and the minimum value out of that is 18. So, if a straight line L with a negative slope passes through 8, 2, cuts the positive coordinate axis at P and Q, then the minimum value of OP plus OQ is equal to 18, where O is the origin. So that's one interesting example thought of sharing with you. I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Bye for now.